with your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I'm bored. Wake up with your girlfriend. You got me some type of way. Ain't used to feeling this way. I do not know what to say. Yeah, yeah. But I know I shouldn't think about it. Took one fucking look at your face. Now I wanna know how you taste. Usually don't give it away. Yeah, yeah. But you know I'm already thinking about it. Your girlfriend, yeah, yeah, 'cause I'm bored. You could hit it in the morning, yeah, yeah, like it's yours. I know it ain't right, but I don't care. Wake up with your girlfriend, yeah, yeah, 'cause I'm bored. This shit always happened to me, yeah. Why can't we just play for keeps? Practically on my knees. Yeah, yeah. But I know I shouldn't think about it. You know what you're doing to me. You're singing my songs in the streets. Yeah, yeah. Acting all innocent, please. When I know you are thinking about it. Your girlfriend, yeah, yeah, 'cause I'm bored. You could hit it in the morning, yeah, yeah, it's yours. I know it ain't right, but I don't care. Wake up with your girlfriend, yeah, yeah, 'cause I'm bored. You could stay hating if you want to, but I only hate on it because I want you. Sam, tripping if you feel like, but I ain't right. You could call me crazy 'cause I want you, and I even never fucking met you. Sam, tripping and it ain't right, but you without me ain't nice. Yeah. Wake up with your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I'm bored. You could hit it in the morning. Yeah, yeah, like it's yours. So it ain't right, but I don't care. Wake up with your girlfriend.